How to block websites in Chrome on your Android phone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to block specific websites in Chrome step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android phone. Now, tap on the search bar and search for NextDNS. Open the official NextDNS website and tap on Try It Now. Once you're on the NextDNS dashboard, scroll across the top menu and tap on Deny List. Now, tap on Add a Domain. Enter the website you want to block. For example, you can type www.youtube.com. After entering the website, press Enter to save it. Now, head over to the Setup section within NextDNS. Scroll down until you find the DNS over HTTPS address. Press and hold on the address and copy it. Now go back to Chrome and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Now tap on Use Secure DNS. Choose the option called Choose Another Provider. Paste the DNS over HTTPS address you copied from NextDNS into the URL field. Now leave the page to save changes. Once the setup is complete, Chrome will start using your NextDNS configuration. Any websites you added to the deny list will now be blocked when you try to access them. And that's it. That's how you can block websites in Chrome on your Android phone easily.